And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a case scenario from consolidation chapter which is generated from ChatGPT. See, I'm not saying कि ICA is using ChatGPT and generating the question paper, but at the same time I'm not denying it. हो सकता है, when ICA is giving questions out of the box, ठीक है, not from the books. So you have to be in a position to tackle those questions. So that happens only when you practice before the exam, right? So let's get started. So पहले अपन we'll go and see what are the questions that are given, and then we will try and figure it out. So how should the intercompany profit जो है 40,000 from sale of inventory by so and so be treated in the consolidation financial statement? Here they are talking about intercompany sales, ठीक है, inventory के बारे में. Okay, so let's see where that is given. So first of all, here in this question they have given us PKR Limited is holding 70% equity shares in XYZ Limited. So PQR holds 70% in XYZ. Perfect, till here it's fine. So and then XYZ again holds 60% of shares in ABC Associates. ठीक है, what is happening? XYZ again holds 60% in ABC. Till here though we have understood. Now the following details for the year ended 31st March 2025. Okay, so PKR Limited share capital, return earnings and profit for the year is this much. XYZ Limited share capital, return earnings and profit this much. ABC Limited share capital, and they have given profit for all the three companies. Fine. So यहाँ पे आ गया तुम्हारा intercompany transaction and the question was pertaining to this. On 1st January, what happened? PKR Limited sold inventory worth rupees 5 lakhs to XYZ Limited. So PKR Limited जो है that has sold worth rupees 5 lakhs. Okay, at a profit margin of 20%. 5 lakhs के ऊपर 20%, it comes to 1 lakh. Okay, XYZ Limited out of 5 lakhs, XYZ Limited out of 5 lakhs holds 2 worth inventory. ठीक है, 5 लाख सेल करा, बट एज ऑन द कंसोलिडेशन दैट इज एज एट द ईयर एंड बस 2 लाख इन्वेंट्री इज इन द बुक्स ऑफ, only 2 lakhs inventory is lying with your subsidiary. Okay, is lying with your XYZ Limited. Now how they are going to tackle this? Okay, so first of all let me tell you how should the intercompany profit of 40,000 उन्होंने दे दिया अभी तुमको कि two lakhs is lying in the books, right? So on this 2 lakhs there's 20% profit, right? 20% profit. ये 2 lakhs के ऊपर 20% होगा तुम्हारा 40,000. That he has already given in the question. ठीक है, intercompany here he has given profit of 40,000 from sale of inventory by PKR Limited to XYZ Limited be treated in the consolidation financial statements. So the whenever there is an intercompany sale between both the parties, like holding and subsidiary company, the entire profit must be eliminated. So here the question simple, you have to say entire 40,000 must be eliminated, option A. Okay, the full amount of 40,000 to be eliminated. To give you more deep insight, I'll just write a journal entry over here so you will understand what exactly we have to do in this kind of situation. So whenever a parent is selling inventory to the subsidiary, it will recognize revenue. Okay, so it will record debtors to revenue. Okay, fine till here. And then its inventory is going out, so to inventory लिखेगा, उसका कॉस्ट भी है, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड. Till here it is fine, right? So these are the entries which are recognized by the parent when it is selling to subsidiary, and subsidiary will recognize inventory because inventory आ रहा है. ठीक है, inventory account debit to creditors, it has to pay money to the holding company, so inventory to creditors. So at the year end when you consolidate, you have to remove intercompany indebtedness, intercompany profit, ये सब चीज़ों को eliminate करना होता है. So when you see your debtors and your creditors will get eliminated, your inventory here and inventory here will get eliminated, so these two are left out, right? So revenue is credited here, so you will debit revenue account debit, and your cost of goods sold जो है, so your cost of goods sold will be credited, okay, with the amounts. Okay, well, if there is a profit element, so your inventory will be credited if there is a profit element. Okay, we will see with an example in the future. So but this is what happens, your revenue credited before, that will be debited in consolidated financial statements, and your consolidated cost of goods sold is debited in your principal, like holding company's books, that will be credited in consolidated financial statements. That means they're eliminating everything, all the intercompany transactions. I hope this is clear. Let's see the second question now. Okay, how will the intercompany sale of inventory intercompany sale of inventory by XYZ Limited to ABC Limited and profit of 45,000 impact the consolidated profit. तो ये भी है same question, but here XYZ is selling goods to XYZ is selling goods to ABC Limited, okay, and they are getting a profit of 45,000. Okay, let's see. So on 1st February 2025, XYZ Limited sold inventory worth rupees 3 lakhs to ABC Limited at a profit margin of 15%. ABC Limited still holds 1 lakh worth of inventory as on. Okay. Now we will try and understand. See, out of 3 lakhs, if you calculate the profit, out of 3 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 3 lakhs, if you take 15% as profit, 45,000 will be overall profit. But ultimately, how many goods are left as on 31st March, as of the year end? Only 1 lakh goods are left. Okay. 1 lakh goods are left which are sold by its parent company to subsidiary. So out of this 1 lakh, 15,000 is the profit that has to be eliminated because other 2 lakh goods have been sold outside. Only 1 lakh is lying with the subsidiary. So this 15,000 has to be eliminated now. Okay, let's try and understand. Now for this 1 lakh, not for 3 lakhs, we will calculate only for 1 lakh. So let's see, holding company has recognized debtors to revenue, okay, because it is selling goods to its subsidiary, and then its inventory is going out, so inventory credit, okay, cost of goods sold. Now here debtors will be for value of 1 lakh and revenue 1 lakh. Inventory kitne ka, out of 15% is a profit element, so its cost is 85k and 85k. I hope till here it is fine. And then this two entries are recognized by your parent. Now subsidiary will recognize inventory account debit because inventory is coming in. Inventory account debit to what? To creditors. Okay, it has to pay back the amount to its parent. Okay, this will recognize in its books as 1 lakh because it is paying 1 lakh amount. So uska cost ho gaya 1 lakh. So it will recognize 1 lakh. Okay, we will clean this up. So this is what is recognized in each separate financial statements. Now when you're consolidating, all you have to do is you have to eliminate debtors, creditors, eliminate ho gaya debit credit, and then inventory. If you see, here it is 1 lakh and here it is only 85. Matlab 15k inventory is still lying here. That is the profit element. Okay, remember that inventory debit 15,000 is still lying. And if you see revenue and cost of goods sold, now in consolidated financial statements, what you will do here, revenue is credited, you will debit revenue account debit 1 lakh to cost of goods sold. If you see, it is 85k, and then to inventory. I told you, inventory profit element, this 15,000 you will credit. I hope this point is clear now. Okay, 1 lakh debit, 85 plus 15, another 1 lakh credit. Fine, right? Chalo. Now let's see another question. So what is the third question? If you see, what will be the consolidated profit for the year in the financial statements of PQR Limited after adjustments of unrealized profit? Okay. Now we will see what are the profits for given in the question. See here, if you see, यहाँ पे profit दिया गया है. PQR का profit 1 million or what is that, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs, and then XYZ का profit 30 lakhs, right? ABC Limited का profit 10 lakhs. So let's add all those. Okay, 100 lakhs PQR Limited का 30 plus 10, 30 lakhs plus 10 lakhs. Okay, till here how much happened? Overall profit, this is 140 lakhs. Okay, but you have removed these two intercompany profits, right? You have eliminated 40,000 here, 15,000 here. Okay, minus 55,000. Okay, so if you minus 55,000, you will get 1,39,45,000. Okay, so option D. I hope this point is clear. And here for the second one, no, answer is entire 15,000 must be deducted from the consolidated profit. No, entire 45,000 must be deducted from the consolidation profit. Okay, so entire 45,000 you will take. Oh, sorry, entire 15,000 must be deducted. Sorry, 15,000 to be deducted. Sorry, my bad. 15,000 to be deducted from the consolidation profit because only 1 lakh goods are left in the books and rest of the 2 lakh goods have been sold outside. So intercompany unrealized profit is only 15,000. So that's why you will deduct 15,000 from the consolidation profit. and exactly you have removed here also in this 40 plus 15, your intercompany unrealized profit has been eliminated. So in consolidation, profit will be this much. I hope this point is clear. Please do follow, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you want more videos such like this, please do subscribe, and that gives me a lot of motivation. And thank you all so much.